Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been so long since we have done a face mask video on this channel, so I am so excited to do the French green mud mask today. I got this on Amazon, actually on Amazon Prime Day, and I am so excited to try it. This mask is supposed to tone your skin, help with your complexion, tighten your pores, moisturize, and detox the skin. And holy cow, that is a lot for one mask. It smells very interesting. I wouldn't say it smells good. I don't want to say it smells bad, but it's definitely closer to bad than good. After smelling it, I'm a little bit more nervous to keep it on my face for 15 minutes because I don't know if I can stand that smell for that long. I can feel the fumes in my eyes, which I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Alright, so I have the mask fully applied, and I take back what I said about not sure if it smelled bad or not. It smells bad. I think the longer you wear it, you kind of get used to it, so I don't think it's going to be terrible. If the mask doesn't do what it's said to do, then the smell alone is a deal breaker. But something doesn't have to smell good to work, so I'm hoping that the bad smell is just a part of all the wonderful things the mask is supposed to do. So it says to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, so I will be right back. So it's been about 15 minutes, and to my surprise, it kind of dried. Instead of being like a paste, now it feels more dry on the surface, which I was not expecting. Not a bad thing, I just wasn't expecting it. It looks like I sprayed caulk on my face and it doesn't smell much better, so I'm gonna go wash it off and hopefully it did more than it appears. So after washing the mask off, my face definitely does feel softer and smoother, kind of like as if I had just applied moisturizer, so that's good. It also kind of feels like it's like breathing in a sense, like it feels fresh, which is either from the mask or just the fact that it doesn't smell like that anymore. It's definitely not like any of the other masks I have, which is not a bad thing. If you are sensitive to smell, I would definitely not recommend this mask, but maybe if you are super luxurious and that's how it's supposed to smell, then definitely get it because it's interesting. It is. It's cool and refreshing, and I think it did good things to my skin. We'll have to see. I'll use it a couple more times just to make sure before I give it the boot, but that's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye!